Hi everyone, this is Realtor Lisa, and I'm at my home at almost 9,000 feet in Gilpin County, Colorado, and I wanted to say hello and find out how you all are doing after the outrageous winds that we had this past week. And we had power outages at least 4 times. Lasting overnight a couple of times, and so I wanted to check in, see how everyone's doing, and let me know in the comments, and please tell us where you're from and what you experienced. So normally we have a lot more snow at this time of year. It's almost 60 degrees today, which is just unprecedented. We've been at this location now for over 13 years now. So never experienced this kind of weather, which is good and bad. It's the way things are. I'll turn around and show you one of my neighbor's trees that went over, and we had one in our yard as well, but it's been cut down. So there's my neighbor's tree uprooted. And anyway, happy holidays, everyone. Hope you're well. Take care.